Hey everybody, it's Mike Menino back with another house right here in Waterford, 5085 Denwood. We just bought this morning. It was listed maybe 7 days ago and we closed cash quick on it. This was a great house to pick up for us. Really cool because if you turn around over there, you're gonna see a little peekaboo view of the water. Just cool, you get some lake access to that lake. So over here, this house I want to say is built in like 80s. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,400 square foot house with a 2.5 car garage. It's like everything everyone ever wants. So it also comes with 2 responsibilities. I mean, 2 koi fish. There's one over there, there's another one. But I'll take you guys on inside. If I can get inside. This one, there's not too much work to do in this house. This is a really cool house for us. You can't really see it on video, and the floor is dark, but the floor is buckling over here. You might kind of hear it, but we're going to be replacing this floor. And what we're going to be doing next, he's like obsessed with the floor. What we're going to be doing next is painting the, and it comes with a disco light too, which is really nice. But we're going to be painting the whole house. Over here would be the master suites. So we got the master bedroom. We're gonna put some blinds up. There's not too much work to do here, especially you'll see in the bathroom. This is really nice. You get your own master bathroom. Ooh, the vanity. The previous owner already was kind of doing some work. You'll see the tiles newer, the vanity. We're not gonna be doing too much more to this property. We're really just gonna be fixing what he just didn't finish. There's some doors to be replaced, some base to add, replacing this flooring. Over here is really nice, and the kitchen and dining room is open, and it has a nice tile throughout. We're going to be doing a new kitchen, so we will be doing new kitchen cabinets and our famous granite that we always do. This is really cool. This is a half-acre lot. Let me see. I think it's, there we go. This is a half-acre lot. And the deck is newer, so we just gotta come through, stain the deck. I think it's a fenced-in yard. You'll see to the right. There's like a little creek that goes through the backyard. It's really nice. And I'll take you guys to the other side. Yeah, the roof is newer. So really all we're doing is just cosmetic work with the kitchen, the flooring, things like that. So over here is the second bathroom. So this is shared between the other 2 bedrooms. Look, you'll see that the tub surround is newer, toilet, vanity. You did a great job with that. And over here is, you have a furnace room, or furnace room. You have a laundry room. And what's just cool about this, you got your laundry right over here. We're gonna put some new LVP flooring down to give an updated look. And here you have a 2.5 car garage. All right, and then I'll just show you the other 2 bedrooms. That's really about it. They're nothing too special. I think they're the typical 10 by 10 bedrooms. But yeah, so this is the Denwood property. What's really cool about this property, it was listed with a realtor. So a home buyer came through and it failed inspection with, like the flooring, things aren't really working that well. So we came in, we paid cash for the house. They wanted to close quick. We didn't even do an inspection, we just came in, we bought it. I think it was, like I said, listed last week, got under contract today's, I think Wednesday or Thursday. And we paid for this house. So this is the Denwood property. I'll keep you up to date on this one. And if you or someone else has a house that looks like this, or even more disheveled, like there's grandma passed away or whatever, feel free to reach out to us. We're gonna have a cool bar that comes across with our company information. We buy in Oakland, Macomb, Lapeer, and Genesee County. My name is Michael Menino, and you give us a call at 248-783-8009, 248-783-8009. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you soon.